FragWatch here. Today, we're in a different location. A little bit of mountain majesty. I got this hummingbird feeder right here. Got like 30 hummingbirds. We just filled it up with some fresh nectar for those bad boys. They're eating. We got Starlink, other hand, right there. Kicking it raw. I've been playing on the Soku Pengu. But right now, we're going to be unboxing the Pulsar X2F fingertip grip mouse. The majesty, the excellence. Let's get to it. Alright, this is hard. I'm doing this with cameras. It's not my normal setup. This is my mobile setup. So this is a little bit more difficult. I guess I can do it in this camera on this setup. Got the box, this inner box. It's kind of foam. It's like a weird foam. Got very firm, almost velvet style foam. It's bizarre. Okay. We got the sleeve. Take that sleeve off. Set it aside. This is all like foam, man. Oh, we got the sun. Look, the sun comes out just for this unboxing. Alright. How does this work? Slide to open. What? Ooh, okay, like a key. That's kind of a weird attempt at being fancy. I don't know. Alright, we got the dongle here. Yeah, it's sun. Ups to you, son. Popping out and making this possible. Let's get this in the sleeve. Dongle, standard Pulsar 8K dongle. Let's get this back. Ooh, okay. Ooh, that's a really velvety feel. Look at that, okay. It's a weird way to do this setup. Sorry about that. Man, it's just a bizarre feel. Okay. So that's how it's sitting in my hand. See, let's compare it to the veneer here. Get that in the light. See if I can get these standing on their sides. This one maybe not. We'll stabilize it with the Pulsar dongle. I like that this has bigger side mouse buttons. Let's check this out. Let's get the whatchamacallit, Zeiss Rail out here too. It's another fingertip grip mouse I really like. Okay, so that's a good sampler platter. It's my favorite fingertip grip mouse. It's how I grip it. Skates are not on, that's why it feels weird. Okay. Let's continue opening this, yeah? Okay. Dongle goes all the way. Is this another slidey boy? This looks like it. No, this just pops out. Okay. Got like an instruction booklet here. Is this how the skates? Oh, there's the skates. We got like a playing card. Pulsar Lab sticker. This is the Founders Edition, by the way. It's got, I don't know if it has any extras. I ordered the other one with the other colorway as well. It's supposed to be like blue, like some weird color scheme. I ordered 2 of these, so I hope it's good. Otherwise, I'm sitting on 2 products that I don't like. Oh, the autofocus on this is so bad. I apologize about that. Let's increase the size of this one a wee bit. Yeah, it's hard for you guys to see. Where the fuck? It's not on. It's not on. There. That's better. That's better. Just scoop my ass this way. Yeah, there we go. That makes more sense. Okay, underneath is just in a bag. What is this? Oh, it's the cord in a weird bag. Okay, cord and bag. Soft cord. Nothing to write home about. Okay, put that back. I don't know if I enjoy the packaging on this one. Not sure if this is how they're going to do all their packaging going forward, or whether this was a little experiment. Feels like an experiment. You know what I mean? Okay, let's put the skates on this. What do we got? What do we got? Alright. The finier out of here. Should I go? Let's go with. Should I go Dotty Boys? First, let's get the. Oh man, okay. Dots are. I think I'm going to go with corners. Let's go with corners. Usually a fan of corner skates. Okay, so this was there, so this goes here. Let's stick into my finger. I like that they're letting us choose which skates to put on, but I also kind of hate it. It's like when I'm opening a mouse, I get very excited. I want to just get right to it, you know what I mean? Okay, so this is at like an angle. So this is the angle side, okay. Lay that there. Okay, oh, I got that a little crooked. A little crooked there. Okay, so they give you, this is the skates they give you. They give you full-size dot and corner. I typically like corner because I don't like, because you have to test on a large amount of pads. And like, it's just the most compatible. Because these can work on mud pads or glass. Not optimally, by the way, but they work well. But on the majority of pads, these are just the most balanced. I like Pulsar skates too. They're not too soft, not too hard. They have some give. They have decent friction and texturing. These are interesting corner skates. Let's get the sensor skate on there. Let's see if I can do this. You all know I struggle with this. Okay. No operation here. Got it. Dang. Cool. Okay, let's take these off. I'll give you a little preview on how I feel about it. Just set this right there. I just cut my nails yesterday. And it's pretty difficult to do. I cut my nails super short, like a weirdo. I like it that way. I didn't even need to use the knife. That's good. Okay, let's see how this feels. It's on the Soku Pengu. Oh, damn. Ooh, man, that feels good. I don't like how this is hitting right here on me. I mean, it almost provides like an extra stability. Guess I'm just going to have to like grip it like this. Because that, if I grip it my normal style, that's like touching. It's weird. This feels really good though. Like, I love the coating on this. This powder coating on this mouse. It's really good. Okay. Alright. That's been my unboxing of the X2F by Pulsars. This is in not my normal setup. I thank you guys for bearing with me. I'm very excited to open this mouse. Awesome. Here's the finier. This is right now my reference fingertip grip mouse. So this is what this is going up against. The best of the best. Alright guys, take it easy.